Hey guys, it's Aidette. Today we're doing a no cuts, just raw footage of me rushing to get ready because I'm gonna go get Botox for the very first time. During the makeup process, there's gonna be no cuts, but in the beginning and the end, I'll be chopping it up a little bit because I do talk too much. A good little 10 minutes. Ready, set, no cuts, go. Okay, I'm gonna do something very light. So first things first, I'm gonna be taking my glue stick. We're gonna be filming today, so I want to look a little bit presentable. I mean, I'm going to be doing Botox all like up in my forehead. I'm going to be doing another video too. It'll be already up. I'll be putting it down below. I am going to get Botox for the very first time and I am very nervous. I can't even lie to you, babes, like severely. I just have not done it for so long, or I just haven't gotten myself to do it because I just get scared. Like, I hear mixed reviews. Some people say yeah, do it, some people say don't do it, and I don't know, I just feel like it's like that for everything. So I'm like, okay, you know what, if I like it then I like it, and if I don't then I don't. But the crazy thing about Botox is that I don't think that you can dissolve this like with filler, and I definitely need to dissolve like this part of my filler because it's starting to look quite ducky if you ask me. Yeah, but you know, we're gonna tough it out. I'm probably gonna be doing that like maybe in the next week, maybe possibly, I don't know. I like really struggle when it comes to like dissolving my lips. I'm not gonna dissolve it fully. Oh goodness. Guys, this brow is gonna give me trouble. It's always this brow. This brow is always fine, but it's always this fucking brow. Oh my goodness, fudge. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Whenever I apply too much glue, it gets like crusty. Like you can see like the flakes. Okay, you know what? You're gonna stay like that because I am not going to make you flaky. Whatever. So I've heard people like the alternative to Botox. I don't remember what it's called. I'm gonna be using my LA Girl. You guys can use the code Aidette10 for 10% off. This is in the color vanilla. I'm not gonna be doing any foundation. I'm literally just gonna be putting on something light. Cause guess what? They wipe off your makeup anyway. So I have this pimple right here that's like, I don't even know what it's doing. It's being so mean. I'm breaking out right now, and it's because I just got over my period, and also I've been eating pretty freaking bad. So that's not good. And then I have this monster right here. I don't know, bro. I'm just going with the flow. So I'm gonna take my little sponge. This one is also from LA Girl. But to be quite honest with you, I'm really nervous. I know that it's gonna come out amazing and great. You see this coverage? Yum. I only have 6 minutes left. Shut the duck up. How is it? Oh my gosh. Okay, I need to stop rambling. I literally talk my butt off and then don't even realize. Oh, okay. Well, this is real-time ADHD, y'all. One of my psychiatrists once told me, like last year, he's like, yeah, you have ADHD, and I was like, yeah, you didn't even need to tell me. You did not need to diagnose me for me to know that. Anyway, how did I even get on that topic? There's proof. Okay, so this already looks juicy. Okay, I could literally just go out like this. I'm gonna put on a little bit of blush though, because I don't want to look just white. Tomorrow I'm gonna be putting on some tan. Actually, I think I have to do that tonight. Now I'm gonna be setting my face. I get very, very pale. Very, very pale. Actually, let's put on some blush first. These blushes are from NARS, and I don't know which one I want to do. I've been meaning to try out this purple one. You guys know that I hate purple, but it just looks interesting, so we'll try it out later. So we have Behave and we have Brazen. I'm more of like a pink girl, so let's do that. This one is Brazen. Okay, I have 5 minutes left on the clock. Okay, let's take the opposite side of the sponge. Okay, I'm a huge blush girl, so this needs to be a lot more pigmented than this, or I might scream. Yeah. Come on, girl. You can do better than that. I am also going to be getting my masseters done today. I have been getting, I think this is going to be my fourth round of masseter Botox. Or third? Wait. This is going to be my fourth round of masseter Botox, if I am not mistaken. So basically what masseter Botox does, I will be talking about it in my other video also that is down below already, since it's already up. It slims down your face. So if you guys look at back at my other videos, literally my face was like this. Like it looks like I got my wisdom teeth out compared to now. And now my face is like a lot more slim. And you know, it's just like a personal preference thing. Okay, this blush is looking quite freaking orange and I don't know why. And I'm scared. Oh my gosh, no. What did I do? No, oh my gosh, guys, what did I freaking do? How do I fix this? How do I fix this? Okay, hold on, I'm scared. Ah! Guys, what do I do? Hold on. Just give me 1 second. OMG. Oh, I only have 3 minutes left. What the duck is going? Okay, you know what? We're going in. This is why I messed up, because that brush most definitely had bronzer on it, because I used that side to do my bronzer. Oh my gosh, I'm so silly for that. Okay. Anyway. I thought this was going to be much easier. Now we just take a little bit more of that concealer, because now I look absolutely insane. OMG, girl. This is literally just like a video of me. 2 minutes. Freaking out over my blush. Oh my gosh, what if I go over the timer? Y'all. Who let me? Whose idea was this? Okay. This is fine. Oh, I just look too blushed. I look too freaking blushed. Okay. You know what? We are just going to set. We're gonna set. Where is my thing? Okay. Okay, I'm taking my Huda Beauty. This is, I don't remember, pound cake? Yeah. Okay, so we're gonna take this. Put it under the eyes. OMG. I'm about to be on 1 minute. Okay. I'm not really worried about the forehead, because they're going to literally just take my makeup right off. Oh my goodness. Okay. What else do we do? Lip liner. This is the Too Faced lip injections. I like this because it plumps my lips. This is post-op pink. That is so cute. Post-op pink. Okay, we're gonna let this marinate, because this is going to plump up the lips. It burns as we speak. And then we're gonna take some pink blush. We're gonna try to make this like not so orangey, but I'm taking my Broken. This is so chaotic. Taking my Broken blush just to make it more like bubblegum pinky, how I like. Okay, I literally only have 40 seconds. Okay. I need to snatch the nose at least a little bit. No brows today, perfect. Okay. Snatch the nose. If your nose is snatched, then at least your nose is snatched. Okay. Nothing crazy, but something to not make me feel so bold. Oh Lord. Okay, okay, okay. This is what we got done in 10 minutes. Honestly, this would be really bad if I didn't have lash extensions on. By the way, if you guys are in like the LA area, OC area, Lashed Up by Maria, she makes me literally wake up pretty. She is the only lash and brow tech that I will ever go to. Well, we did pretty good, guys. I'm just going to do the little touch-ups like sides of the nose, you know, so you can look extra juicy. And then I'm gonna put on a little bit of brow pencil in the shade, I think this is Cool Brown or Neutral Brown. I think it's Cool. Yeah, this is all I'm gonna do really for my brows. I don't want to do too much. And then I'm just gonna put on some gloss. And we are literally done. I know that this is like extremely fast. This is what I like to do for like appointments if I just, oh my goodness, my hair. Ah! Oh my gosh, I'm sorry. What is wrong with me today? Hold on, let me put my headband on because I feel, but should I put on gray or should I put on white? That looks kind of cute also. I don't know if I'm gonna be wearing this Hello Kitty outfit though. I just might because I'm really freaking cold. Let's do the white. Not bad for 10 minutes, right? Thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys want more chaotic videos like this, let me know because it was actually really fun. And I'll talk to you guys in my next one.